That's a quadrifoglio there behind it. Can't hardly even tell it's red underneath there. It's like they cover it with everything, yeah. That's how they come on the boat, yeah. And they're all wrapped up and everything. Jake, if you want to just put it over there, just make you a wide turn, because they have some.
It has the suspension blocks on
yeah,
it.
they do. Yeah, see. Yeah, you got to go like a wide turn. You can see a little bit of red under the mirror there. It should be.
Aren't quite as low as the Lamborghini.
Yeah.
But they're low.
Oh yes. So they put some kind of suspension block in there that keeps it from. You can't really take it on a lot of elevation or a real tight radius turn. Yeah.
Park it in one of those spots?
Yeah, you could put it right between the two. That'd be fine. That's probably one of the last ones to be built, because they're not going to make that many of the 2020. Okay, we'll get some pictures there in a minute.